If you want to change SIM card pin code on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings, scroll down and then search for fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's go over here. Then you should be able to choose privacy. Then we're gonna scroll down in privacy and you want to go to more security settings. Next up we have the SIM lock option over here, or section actually. So choose the SIM for which you want to manage SIM pin code. We need to enable the lock SIM option. Enter your current pin code in order to confirm that you want to turn it on. Once lock SIM option is enabled, you have the option to change the pin code for your SIM card. So we can tap on that option, enter your current pin code again, of the SIM card of course, and press OK. Then enter the new pin code that you wish to use, and press OK, and then one more time enter the same new pin code that you wish to use, and confirm. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.